To send money via Zelle with TD Bank, start by ensuring you have a TD Bank account and the TD Bank mobile app on your device. If you do not have the app, you can download it from the App Store. Once you have the app, open it and log in to your TD Bank account using your username and password. Next, navigate to the Zelle section within the app. This is usually found under the Transfer or Pay tab. If you are having trouble finding it, you can use the search function within the app to locate Zelle. Before you can use Zelle, you will need to enroll by adding your email address or US mobile number. This will be used to identify you when sending and receiving money. You will receive a verification code to confirm your email or mobile number, which you will need to enter to complete the enrollment process. Once you are enrolled, you can start sending money. To do this, select the Send Money tab and choose the recipient by entering their email address or US mobile number. If the recipient is already in your contacts, you can select them from your contact list. Enter the amount you want to send and add a memo if you want to include a note with your payment. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Then confirm the payment. The money will be sent directly to the recipient's bank account, usually within minutes. It is essential to only send money to people you know and trust, as transactions via Zelle cannot be reversed. Also, be aware of any transaction limits that may apply to your account. To receive money via Zelle, the sender will need to have your email address or US mobile number associated with your TD Bank account. When someone sends you money, you will receive a notification, and the funds will be deposited directly into your TD Bank account. Using Zelle with TD Bank is a convenient and secure way to send and receive money. By following these steps and being mindful of the best practices, you can take advantage of this service to easily manage your finances.